How to use Bitcoin wallet. Creating a Bitcoin wallet is as easy as installing an app on a mobile device or laptop desktop. When you install the app, your Bitcoin wallet is automatically created. You can then receive Bitcoin to your wallet immediately, store it safely, and use it as you please. Now, which Bitcoin wallet should you choose? There are numbers of wallet apps on the market from a variety of vendors and with different features to choose from. We welcome you to try Bitcoin.com wallet, the fully self custodial crypto wallet trusted by millions. Then simply visit the official website of your chosen wallet and open the wallet app. Then all you have to do is navigate to the receive section in your wallet and copy your Bitcoin address or scan the QR code and share this address with the sender to receive Bitcoin. Or to send the Bitcoin, go to the send section in your wallet and enter the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount to send and review the transaction details and confirm. So that is how easy is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.